What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and healthy breakfast recipe that's great for those of you who are busy or on the go. Alright, so like I said, in this video, I'm gonna take you through a healthy, quick, easy to make breakfast recipe for those of you who are on the go a lot, busy schedules, and maybe you don't have time to cook breakfast every single morning before you leave for work, but you hate getting out the door without getting some food in your belly because it just leads to you being starving and hangry all day. So this is a great way around that. It's super quick, it's super healthy. Like I said, you can store it in your fridge. It's gonna take about 20-30 seconds to microwave after it's been cooked. What we're gonna be doing is making some healthy egg muffins. All you're gonna need is, obviously, you're gonna need some eggs. I just have a dozen large eggs here. Then also, there's going to be a lot of fillers for your egg muffins. So this is gonna be a lot based off of personal preference. But for mine, I just got some nice bell peppers here. I got some baby spinach here, some coconut oil just to grease the pan, some Parmesan cheese. Again, this is for variety. Salt and pepper to mix into the eggs themselves, and some cheddar cheese. I got some vegan cheese here just because it's dairy free. And then also you gotta make sure that you have your little tray for the muffins, and you can get the little paper fillers if you want. Personally, I'm just gonna use some coconut oil so that it's non-stick. Now, before you actually get into the recipe itself, you do wanna make sure that you are preheating your oven up to 400 degrees. So do that first, and then let's get into it. All right, so there you have it. A quick, healthy breakfast recipe that's great for grabbing and going. If you got a busy lifestyle, you can just pop these in your refrigerator and grab them, maybe heat them up for about 30 seconds. Now, watch them if they look a little runny after the 15 minutes. In the very middle, you can poke them with the toothpick even if you want. Just pop them in for another couple minutes and just wait until they look like they've puffed up. If you noticed, mine on the inside are looking a little more compressed than other muffins. Totally fine. Doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. It's just how it cooked. So watch them. And now I will say, if you guys are looking for more recipes just like these, there are 50 of these in each of our 90-day programs. And what you can do is take our free body type quiz to find out which of the programs is best for you and learn the 3 most important things that you need to be doing to get in shape. If you want to check that out, you can click the link in the description right below this video. Other than that, if you guys like this recipe, if you guys like these little healthy, easy to make egg muffins, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up button below. Other than that, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, make sure you're leaving them in the comment section. And then last but not least, make sure you are hitting the subscribe button and the little notification bell right next to the subscribe button. That way you actually get notified when I post a new video. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.